Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Today we are going to talk about our 6s and our 7s from Greg Tang. You can check out gregtangmath.com for the poems that go with these facts. So the first one we're going to look at is 6 times 5. So if you remember today, when we are doing 6 times 5, we're going to first multiply by 3. So 3 times 5, what does that equal? That equals 15. And then you are going to double this. So then you would just simply add another 15 right here and it would be 30. Okay, so then if we were going to do another one, you would do 6 times 8, do 3 times 8, that equals 24, and then you're going to double 24. So then you get the answer of 48. Alright, so now you are going to solve this problem for homework. You're going to do 6 times 9 equals what? And you can bring that in and turn that into the green basket in the morning. Alright, let's talk about 7s. So if you remember the 7 poem, say we're doing 7 times 3. We're going to change it and multiply it by 5. So 5 times 3, what does that equal? That equals 15. And then we're going to add 3 2 more times. So then that would be 18. And then that would be add another 3, and the answer would be 21. Okay, so let's try one more and then I will give you your problem. Let's do 7 times 5. Okay, so then I could do 5 times 5, that equals 25, and then I'm going to add 5 2 more times. So then I would say 30 plus another 5 is 35. Okay, so here is your sample problem. I want you to solve for 7 times 9 equals what? Alright, so you will have 7 times 9 for homework as well as 6 times 9. So you are looking for both of those answers for your homework. Thanks for watching. See you guys Wednesday.